Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for clicking on the video of our SKODA Octavia estate KP69KKN. So this is the SEL trim and it is in the metallic paint quartz grey. So this vehicle has been added to have the variable boot floor. So as you can see, it's all one level at the moment. However, if you was to raise this, there is a second level underneath, which will give you more height in the boot. So as standard on the SELs, they come with half leather and half micro suede interior. And this follows all the way through to the front of the car too. So the vehicle currently has 10,504 miles on the clock. Over here is the infotainment screen, the dual zone climate control. With the SEL you get the mode selector there too. This is the DSG gearbox. Then you have the multi-function steering wheel along with cruise control on the indicator stalk. And then you also have automatic headlights. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car, please call us on 0208 686 8844. Thank you, bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.